And as Vietnamese creativity gains international attention, it is also inspiring new cultural collaborations.
And one example that we're spotlighting in this story is Culture by Design. It is an Australian Broadcasting Corporation or ABC series, and it will premiere on ABC Australia and ABC iView on Sunday, August 23rd, 2026. Showcasing how culture influences modern design, the latest series explores the cultural landscapes of Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and India. And now let's check it out.
One of cultural custodians is artisan Đỗ Hữu Chiết, who dedicated himself to preserve enameled bronze art, or Phap Lam in Vietnamese. He was very proud to show his contemporary design on ABC Australia.
I got a chance to introduce a restoration project I carried out for the enamel decoration at Dong Khánh tomb. I worked on the project for 7 years. When pursuing a design practice rooted in traditional craftsmanship, for it to truly develop sustainably, we must preserve its cultural roots.
I feel very touched and proud at the same time because Vietnam has so much to offer. You know, it's not only me in this, network of maker creators. It has so much more in depth that Vietnam can be able to create.
In Cultural by Design Series 2, 8 Vietnamese designers, makers, and cultural custodians are featured. Those are people who worked at the aspect of architecture, fashion, lacquerware, lantern making, and paper art. Visiting their workshops across Vietnam, host Anthony Burke realized that the most powerful creative act is one rooted in where you come from.
That integration of a normal life here in Vietnam that has access to these kinds of designers and their work, I think was really wonderful to see. And I think that is a really great lesson for us to take back with me to Australia.
The launch of Culture by Design Series 2 highlights a growing area of cooperation between Australia and Vietnam through media. With ABC bringing Vietnamese culture to international audiences, the production offers a platform for both countries to share their culture and build greater understanding through storytelling.
An important part of any bilateral relationship is the people-to-people links, and cultural understanding is a very important part of that. Hopefully it's the first of many such programs or activities.
For Vietnamese design to take central stage, a great deal of dedication has gone behind it, from artists working to preserve traditional techniques to architects bringing familiar materials into contemporary life. Each and every story featured in Culture by Design honors the effort that was put into protecting and reimagining cultural traditions.